I recognize this. This is the broken bridge.
Then this is actually something related to an ancient site that represented or showed testimony to the existence of at least 5,000 years of Chinese civilization. It's from Liangzhu Museum. It's called Cong, actually, here, with a straight tube. So it symbolizes class and power. Normally, jade is from the upper class. Archaeologists observed that 5 lines can be engraved in a 1 millimeter wide pattern on Cong.
Well, I think the best way to celebrate International Museum Day is show you some things from some great museums in China.
And especially those cultural creative products from those very, very nice museums.
I just love to see a part of history that still exists, and if you must come to China and see some of these things for yourself in these museums.
Yes,